Hey guys, Cam here from 9 to 5 Google, and Android N has been available in the form of a developer preview now for a few weeks, and it's already into its second preview, and part of this upcoming major software update is the baked-in ability to have two apps side by side on the same screen. This is otherwise known as split-screen multitasking. Here's how you use it. Now, as of right now, there are a couple of methods for activating the split screen. Now, method 1 is what I call drag and drop. Within Android N, when using any app or even on the home screen, you can tap the app switcher icon. That's the square one on the bottom right of the screen in most phones. This launches the familiar card-based multitasking window. Now, if you tap and hold one of these apps that you'd like to have on screen, then drag it up to the top half of the screen or to the side, and once you've done that, the app will take up the top half of your display, assuming you're holding it in portrait and not in landscape mode. The bottom half will show the app switching screen. Then you tap on the second app you'd like to have on screen, and then you have two apps running side by side on the same screen. Now, the second method requires a little bit more in terms of digging into the software, but once it's been activated, it's actually a lot easier. Now, first, what you have to do is enable System UI Tuner within the settings menu. This means you need to swipe down from the top of your screen until the full notification shade and quick settings tiles are on display. Now, you'll notice a settings cog in the top right hand corner, and you press and hold this icon for a few seconds until it starts spinning. And once you let go, you'll see a pop-up alert on screen for a short while telling you System UI Tuner has been added to your settings options. Once System UI Tuner is active, you go to Settings, System UI Tuner, then hit Other, and then tap the toggle to enable split screen swipe up gesture. Once this is active, you can simply swipe up from the app switching button, that's the square one again, and it'll launch the split screen mode. Now, once activated, apps take up an equal portion of the screen as default, with the split right in the middle. You can adjust where the split goes just by touching and holding the middle split and moving it wherever you want up and down the screen. What's more, as hinted at previously, this split screen mode works in portrait or landscape. So, if it's active, you rotate your phone so that it's horizontal, and the split screen apps arrange themselves side by side instead of above and below each other. When the split screen is activated, you'll notice that the app switching single square icon that we've been talking about has turned into two parallel rectangles. Now, if you want to, while it's active, you can actually hide the apps by pressing the home button. What this allows you to do is it allows you to select the secondary app that you want to run in split screen mode, just in case the one that you want didn't show up in the initial options. Now, like with launching split screen mode, there are a couple of methods for cancelling it too. First off, you can press and hold the split screen app switching icon. Second, you can just drag the app splitter until it's right at the top or the bottom of the screen, filling your display with a single app. Now, of course, split screen mode has been designed predominantly for tablets, but it means that you can drag and drop content or copy and paste text from one app into another without having to keep on switching between two different apps. It certainly can make you more productive, especially on a tablet. Now, it's important to note that because this is beta software for now, the methods and exact UI may change over time, but we'll be sure to update the post linked in the description box if anything changes majorly to impact you by the time the software is available as a public release. It's also worth noting that apps need to have split screen compatibility, so some apps will support it and some won't, at least initially. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter, and I'll see you again soon.